guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a dragon fruit smoothie. So let's get started. Disclaimer, remember there are no specific measurements in this recipe. It's just based on what you like and how much of something you want and how little of something you want. So let's get started. What you will need is a banana, a white dragon fruit, coconut milk, a mango, and pink dragon fruit powder. You will also need a blender. Add in 1 whole dragon fruit. Add in 1 whole banana. Add in a couple mango slices. Add in some coconut milk. Add in a pink dragon fruit powder chunk. Now blend. Pour into a glass and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching my video, guys, and make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below what you want to see next on future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!